AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Example. System topology. Now we take a look at the system topology of our brake system. We need brake actuators at every wheel to be able to brake. The driver controls the brake system with the brake pedal, which has a sensor that gives information to the pedal module. The wheel speed sensors give feedback to the brake system. It is important to detect if the wheels are locking, because then the system isn't braking optimally and the brake actuators need to be adjusted. This is also known as anti-lock braking system. The steering angle sensor allows the driver to steer. The rear body control unit controls the stop lights to signal while braking. Those are connected to the ECU via a wire, which is marked in white here. The main braking software runs on the brake controller unit. The ECUs and sensors are connected over a bus network to communicate with each other. The bus network is marked in yellow and can be, for example, a CAN bus or a flex-ray frame. Now you know what a simplified brake system with all important ECUs looks like. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.